Manjula Athani, HOD of Computer Department. So already we have studied the previous practicals, and in this practical, that is practical number 18, that is what? Interacting with database. Database chapter we have studied, and in this practical we will see that how to do the practicals, that is. So practical number 18, write a program to insert and retrieve the data from using the database using JDBC. Using this JDBC, what is the purpose of using JDBC? JDBC is used to convert Java application, make a use of connection between, convert this Java application to the SQL queries, that is. Practical significance, ODBC is not appropriate for direct use of Java programming language because it uses C interface. The JDBC API was modulated after ODBC, but because JDBC is a Java API, it offers a natural Java interface for working with SQL. JDBC is needed to provide a pure Java solution for application development. Relevant program outcome, basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, and communication. So these are the program outcomes. And next, competency and practical skills. To develop dynamic web application, the practical is expected to develop the following skills. Able to apply JDBC to create table and insert data in the table, and able to demonstrate the use of various JDBC drivers and the tier application. Relevant course outcome, develop programs using JDBC. Practical outcomes, write a program to insert and retrieve the data from the database using JDBC. And relevant affective domain related outcomes, follow precautionary measures, follow naming conventions, and follow ethical practices. Minimum theoretical background, JDBC API enables the application to interact with different types of databases. It is possible to publish vital information from remote database on a web page using Java applet. JDBC is low-level API and is used to invoke or call SQL command directly. The required SQL statements are passed as a string to Java methods. See here Java application is there, and then JDBC database is there. For this connection between Java application and the database, you require the JDBC drivers. So some of the current JDK add more features to the JDBC that is embedded SQL, which makes direct mapping of relational databases to Java classes. Embedded SQL enables mixing of Java into SQL statements. These statements are translated into JDBC calls using SQL processor. In this type of direct mapping, each row of the table becomes an instance of the class, and each column corresponds to the attributes of that instance. So there are 4 types of drivers are there. In the theory, I have already explained the types of drivers. First is JDBC ODBC bridge driver. Second is native API, that is the partly Java driver. Third is JDBC network pure Java driver, and fourth is native protocol or 100% pure Java driver. Steps for using JDBC. There are 7 steps for using this JDBC to access the database. First, you have to import the Java SQL package, and second step is what? You have to register the driver or load the driver using class.forName, and after that make the connection, connect to the database, and fourth is create the statement, and fifth is execute the statement, and sixth is retrieve the result, and seventh is close the statement interface and result and connection object. And next is what resources required, what are the resources you required, operating system, NetBeans and all this, and database. So here the program is there. Write a program to create the student table in the database and insert the record in a student table. We'll see the program, that is practice. So in this NetBeans, so first you have to install this SQL in your laptop or PC. So JDBC. JDBC examples. See, in this employee demo, no, what is the name of the class? Here, name of the class is not this one. This is of service. Here, JDBC demo. You'll see that JDBC demo. See here. First is what? First step is what? You have to import the package java.sql package, and after that you have to make the connections. So how to make the connections? So where your this one drivers are there, you have to write. You have to first load the driver. So for that, com.mysql.jdbc.driver. So this is the driver name, and then first you have to make the install the database. So how to install this here? Services. So services में क्या है आपका database में check करने का इधर database. See database. So Java SQL, PL SQL is there, and the web servers and the web services. Database, MySQL, Java database, drivers. So here drivers are there, which driver you are installing. And for that then MySQL install किया already इसके अंदर. Otherwise you see the installation of MySQL, and after watching this installation of the SQL, install in your PC, and after that you have to do the programs and make this get connection. Make the connection, that is what URL connection. URL object is class is what the database path is there. So here Java users is the word, that is. So let's see here. Database. So your path you have to give com.mysql.jdbc.driver. See here we are already mentioned that there is a path of this one, and after that you have to make the connection object using this what statement, con.create statement, that will create the object of the statement, and then you have to write this select star from statement SQL query and execute it. So statement object, statement object, when you are creating the statement object, it does not pass any query to this statement. So execute query. So each and every time the statement interface is compiled and executed. So for that, for multiple statements execution, this is not useful. So then once you have created the statement interface, then you have to create the result set object using this execute query method that is present in this statement interface. So SQL query इधर pass करने का. And after that, once you have created the result set object, using this result set object, you have to retrieve the data from the result set. That is, extract the data from the result set. So how to retrieve? You are having the method, that is the next method is there. So using this next method, you are retrieving get int. These are the field names. Roll number and name is the field names. And here name is suppose integer is there, then you have to use this get it method. String is there, get string method. And then whatever you are retrieving, that is stored in this roll number, and name is stored in this name. So and then you have to display the values. So just I am running the program, run this and see here, connecting to the database. See, name, roll number and all this. For this, we are use this workbench. And workbench, what is the name of this one? Table. Here, Java users. Java users का path क्या है? Database किधर है? देखो, Java users EMP है ना? इसका नाम क्या है table का? So table name is what? Student. So here, go to here, and here student table is there. Here student table is there. Just I am closing here. Student table is there here. You want to see this student table here, click on this. Yeah. Once you are clicking on this student table, roll number and name is there. Whatever the roll number and name is there, here we are stored in this database. So which database that is? My Java users. See this Java users उसका किधर है? स्कीमा इसमें जहाँ preferences view database table server tools help. You can save this. Save. So what is this? Java users. See that Java users copy filtered as set as a default, create schema. We can here student and this one. So 1 Mohit, 2 Harshala and all this is there. No? See here 1 roll number 1 Mohit, 2 Harshala, 3 Niket. Whatever the data is there in the database, using this Java application, you are seeing the data from the database in the Java application. Is it clear? For that, what you have to do is you have to import the package, and after that you have to make the connection where you are. This Java users किधर है आपका 330. ये देखो local host. इसको मैं बंद करती हूँ. फिर इसमें देखो आपको बताती हूँ. इधर workbench MySQL workbench करोगे तो स्टार ओपन हो रहा है. So MySQL workbench. Once you install the SQL properly, then it's very easy. Localhost 3306. So here I am clicking. See the path. MySQL schema will be coming. That is schema मतलब आपका जो भी टेबल से वो स्ट्रक्चर है वो ओपन हो जाएगा. So इसके अंदर स्टूडेंट टेबल. So you want to see the table, click on this table icon. Table icon में click करेगा तो that will display the table. Is it clear? To run the query, select on the click on this one and this is for execute the query. से query execute करने के लिए ये है. Is it clear? So here we will see the second example. That is what? This is first and then second, practical related questions. Below given are the few examples, sample questions. That is, what are there are list the type of what why it is so let's 22 what is the program and practical related outcomes. Below given that few sample questions for the references. List the advantage of JDBC over ODBC. JDBC application enjoys the platform independence of Java, which lends itself to the internet application. ODBC application must minimum recompiled to run on different OS or hardware combination. JDBC does not require software on each client machine, which lends itself well for internet application. JDBC is simpler and easier to learn than ODBC. JDBC is not primarily targeted for desktop application development or makes for faster implementation outside the window environment and frequently used in enterprise the class application. Say, write the steps to establish the DSN oriented connection and DSN less connection. In DSN connections, choose start setting control panel ODBC and after that you have to create. See here when you are creating the table in this, you have to click on this control panel में क्लिक करके so administrative tools पे जाने का, click on this administrative tools. So when you are clicking on this administrative tools, your ODBC is there. Here see the ODBC for 32-bit or 64, whichever the operating system is there. Mine is 64 and click on this one 64 and next you have to select the this one system, add database, add, and here Microsoft Access driver you have to select and after that you have to write this data source name. Write the data source name. Suppose I am writing AAA and then select, either you can select the already created database or you can create here also and then you click on OK button. So I am not using the Access, MS Access. Here I am using MySQL, that is a connection less ODBC, DSN connection less connection I am using here. Is it clear? So create the method and link table connection, that is, see, develop a program to create employee table in the database having the two columns, that is the employee ID and the employee name. So here they are given program employee, which is the table name, just we will see here, then it's very easy, ID and this one which table name, execute EMP is the table name. We'll see that EMP, that is EXP 18 here employee ID and this one here employee ID and this one. Just I am running the code, run this. See, employee ID is this and the name is whatever the table in employee number. ID is 1, name is Ram, 2 is Deepak. And where this, what is the EMP? Na? Table name is EMP. We'll see that table name EMP, and then you want to see this, click on here. So here ID and the name, these are the values present in this table. So these are the values. Is it clear? So next we will see that हाँ इससे पहला क्या करने का. So what are the steps? First you have to create the make the connection, driver install करने का, import statement करने का. उसके बाद driver you have to install driver, install installation of the driver, and after that make the connection, make the create the result set object. result set object को create करने का. उसके बाद आपको डेटा रिट्राइव करने का. रिट्राइव करने के लिए रिजल्ट सेट ऑब्जेक्ट यूज करके नेक्स्ट मेथड यूज करके वी आर रिट्राइविंग कॉलम नेम्स. कॉलम नेम्स को रिट्राइव करेगा, फिर उसके बाद वैल्यूज को रिट्राइव करेगा नेक्स्ट मेथड यूज करके, व्हाइल लूप यूज करके. And then your sixth step is what? You have to close the result set object, statement object, and connection object. So these are the steps. And next is what? And this is the program output. Develop a program to display name and roll number of the student from the student table having the percentage more than 70%. Whose percentage more than 70, that only you have to display that. First is what? Import the SQL package, and then you have to make the create the connection object using driver manager get connection. What is your this one database. My local host 3306 के अंदर जावा यूजर्स के अंदर आपका डेटाबेस है. So MySQL JDBC इधर है. So how the code is there, we'll see that. So what is the table name? That is 2. Roll number, name, roll number, and the percentage. The percentage who's greater than 70%, that only you have to display. The percentage whose. See here. Roll number 1, name is Mohit, percentage is 98. We'll see this. What is the table name? Table name is what? Stood. Go to this workbench and stood. That is the student table is there. We want to see the table. Click on this one. Here in this table there are two values are there. One is Mohit has 98% and Reena has 67. The percentage was greater than 70. That only you want to see that. So for that we give the condition here. See here. Select star from stood where percentage is greater than 70. So that will be selected and placed in this SQL, and then that you have to execute query using this statement interface object. We are using this SQL execute query method, and then next method use करके we are retrieving the columns and the values we are retrieving. Is it clear? So next is what? So I think it is completed. So 70. So database is there. These are two values are there. So we'll see only one because it is more than less than 70. That will complete your practical 18.